You are wondering if you want to book the Nusa Penida tour here from Bali? Well, in this video I'm gonna show you what to expect. So pack your bags and let's go. The prices vary depending on how many guests you are. First stop, Gamad Bay for snorkeling. Even though it was the first stop, the snorkeling here was great. A bit deep to have great images to show you, but it was so worth it. Second stop, Manta Bay, which was my favorite. The sea is a bit choppy, but seeing a manta ray is mind-blowing. The manta ray was huge, I am not gonna lie, it was a bit scary, especially when she came underneath me. Third stop, Puyong Beach. And fourth and last stop in the snorkeling tour, the Crystal Bay. Unfortunately, it is famous to spot turtles, but there were no turtles on that day. After snorkeling, we went for lunch, 30 minutes away from the pier, halfway to our destination, Angel Billabong. Angel's Billabong in Nusa Penida is a natural rock pool formed by the relentless erosion of limestone cliffs. So Kitut, my guide today, told me we can see the manta rays just there, and
Just
yes,
from the top.
you can spot them from here.
No need to swim.
No swimming. We did it this morning, which was really nice. So imagine we were there overlooking the rock formation, and it is low tide. High tide, the water goes up to here. This is crazy.
See the manta, come on.
Let's see the manta.
Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh my god. Yes. I'm not sure it's gonna show in the camera, but
Maybe by
the few manta rays. Wow. Next to Angel Billabong, you will find Broken Beach. Broken Beach was created by the collapse of a cave and subsequent erosion. And off we went to our next destination, the famous Kelingking Beach. But let me tell you, the road is very bumpy for 30 minutes. And when you see it with your own eyes, you realize the scale of it. It is wow. You see that monkey? Well, it made space for me to take a nice picture. You have to see it with your own eyes. Yes, there's a lot of people, it's hot, but it's so beautiful. We also went from the other side to see another spectacular view. But Kelingking Beach is really something. I have to warn you, there are monkeys everywhere. Coming to Bali without seeing this is really a shame, so make sure you put it on your bucket list. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you find it short and sweet, and see you in the next one.